Hi everyone, today's nails are similar to the last tutorial I did on turquoise nails, but I did these simple blue and gold wedding nails as part of a collaboration for Trisha Moon, who got married last week. So I started by applying a base coat to all of my nails, and then I painted them with a pink leaning nude polish before applying a latex barrier all around my fingers to protect them when I went to do the water spotting. Once my base color and the latex were both dry, I added a drop of blue polish to a cup of room temperature water and sprayed the surface with hairspray. I then dipped my nail into the broken up polish and cleaned away the excess before removing my finger. Using the same cup of water, I repeated the process with a gold polish, but before removing my nail from the water, I manipulated the broken polish so that more of the gold would attach to my nail. I then quickly removed the latex barrier and sealed my nails with a top coat. And that's all there is to it. This design is so quick and easy, and it would look great with lots of different color combinations too. What did you think of this simple wedding mani?